Hello, my name is Yuri. I'm marketing manager at DISPL. And in this onboarding session, we will learn about the template editor, its features and use cases, and how to start using it, basically. So now, more than ever, I would like to start by reminding you about our support resources, because the DISPL designer is even more complex piece of software than the CMS to understand in the beginning. Of course, when you actually learn how to use it, it's not that hard, and it's pretty intuitive in my own opinion as a non-tech person. Um, so yeah, you will need our support resources. First one is our help center, support.dispel.com. Let me show it to you. So you will see this page here. You need to go to users manual and find designer here. Click it and you see a lot of articles. I think it's about 40 of them telling about every aspect of using the designer, like mm, specific features or just interface overview. So in this video today, we will go through basic overview, but if you need more in-depth help, please go there. Also, if you have any questions, problems, if you want to contact our support team, please do so either at the help center by clicking submit request or by emailing support@dispel.com. We also have a DISPL Academy. Unfortunately, it doesn't have courses on the designer specifically, but we have a lot of materials about DISPL CMS and our other products, how to start using them, how to set them up. So you can find them at academy.dispel.com. You just need product courses education, not no specific courses for partners needed to learn how to use the product. Okay, now let's go to what our marketing says and what our product, honestly, we're not lying to you, what our product can do, and we know it. We tested all these scenarios at least a couple of times for the most specific ones. Okay, so we support a lot of different screen formats, sizes, uh, different setups like multi-screen, LED panels, um, all of them, and even sound management. So you can, in theory, connect your in-store audio to play music or sync audio with ads. For example, we have a great case with fast food chain. They have several screens, the many boards in their store, and at one point, all the screens transfer to synchronized video image of burger and cola on the screen. So all screens show one big picture. And also in-store sound is connected and it plays the sound of burgers being prepared and cola being served. So it creates an immersive experience, which creates wow effect and creates upsell opportunities. Um, so yeah, we support a lot of different screen formats and operating systems. Um, you you can use our usual CMS on them, but often, for example, if you have some specific scenarios like interactive service, like rate our service or digital catalogs, you need specific scenarios for your situation, for your project. That's when you will need DISPL Designer app, because it allows you to create this unique interactive scenarios and also scenarios for unique screen formats. For example, you can see this amazing case we have for ICAS. We had it. I'm not sure they use it at the moment. But it's definitely very cool. It won even some awards at digital signage trade shows, international awards, for most innovative and most engaging um, installation. So what it is a big digital tree of I think it's more than 50 screens. They are synced in real time with each other. And if you look at this, how it's set up, it's a single template that controls a lot of screens simultaneously. So it plays them together, and it's controlled from our template editor software. It's really amazing. And if you want to create this unique scenarios, you will need this software. You can also use it for creating special targeting scenarios like smile based targeting, or targeting based on um, glasses or headwear or facial hair. You can create multi-zone templates. For example, in this example, we have a screen in a bus that shows the route, and also in the bottom it shows a little ad or promotion for a service. You can also create touch scenarios like digital catalogs or interactive surveys, etc. And the amazing scenario for controlling in-store screens through another device. Um, it's also set up in our template editor. It allows, for example, salespeople in a premium store, like a small showroom with several screens. The salesperson can open the phone or a tablet and choose a scenario. For example, in this case, we had a consumer electronics store that has products of premium brands like Bang& Olufsen, Apple, um, something else. I don't remember, sorry. And the salesperson can click Bang& Olufsen, and it will show a promotion for Bang& Olufsen, setting the mood for the sales process, and helping them to sell more efficiently to a customer. You can also use third-party data integration like weather, news, images from your website, a lot of different options. And you can create custom effects like effects on appearance and on disappearance, or maybe some shaking, shining, etc. And you can create forms interactive service. This software is available on Windows and Mac OS computers. You purchase it as a subscription. You need one subscription, one license for a platform. So several people can use one license. It costs $389 per year per platform. um, I think we can go to the platform. So I can show you how to download the DISPL Designer. First of all, you need to open settings, downloads. Here you need to download a version for your operating system. You will see, well, not this. Let me show it to you. It's okay. So you will see this login window. Here you need to input the platform name that you are connecting to, your login, so your email, and your password. Let me do it quickly. Okay, so platform name, username, and password. Of course, to log in to your platform, you need to have a valid license for digital designer, and also your account needs to have access to this feature. So if you are an admin or an owner of the platform, it's okay. If you are a designer or content manager, please make sure that your account has access to this feature on this specific platform. And then in the future, when you will want to update the player app, because sometimes we release new features and we recommend to do it regularly, you can go to help and click update. It will download and automatically install the update for you. Okay, now I can see a list of all devices connected to this demo platform, but we honestly don't need it right now. What we need is open the platform again, go to the template section and go to default templates. So these are templates that are available on all platforms. They have a lot of different scenarios um, that you can demonstrate and show to your customers, for example, or check yourself. And they showcase different features of our digital signage, different applications. But we of course understand that some customers, if they want something more in detail than just video playback for the full screen, um, they will need additional features like their own colors, their own branding, maybe their logo somewhere. So you will need to edit these templates to make sure they align with the brand image. For example, let's see this template, QR scanning. Let's do a vertical version for now. So we have several options. When we click on this template, when we hover it, it will show a demo, a little video. And here we have several options. Demo, it allows us to open the template on our device right now and see how it looks. Use, it allows you to create a new campaign using this template. And download. This download button will download the empty version of the template. So in this version, you will need to add text and add images because it's for the CMS. And we also have a demo version of a template. It's for all default templates that has already all content pre-installed and pre-embedded in the template. Uh, I think when you are researching the template and looking how it's built, I think it's better to use the demo version because you will be able to visually see what each element means. Let's click demo for now. I will choose my own device, my PC, apply. And I need to turn on the DISPL player. Let me do it. As you can see, it plays this template on my computer, so I can look how it. I can check how it looks, how it works. I think it's okay. I think we understand it right now. So let me close the player app, and let's download demo version of this template. So we download this file .ar format. This is format for our digital signage templates. Click on it, and it will open the component map of the template. This template is pretty easy. It's just one screen, no interactive elements. So this is just one component. We will look later into a more complicated template. You will see that it has more components, and even more interactive templates can have even more. So let's open it. We can see, sorry. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It is a bug of some sort. As you've seen, of course, in the template works perfectly, but for some reason the designer, it needs to change the alpha, so the transparency of this image for you to see it. I don't know why. Um, okay, so we see this template has some elements, these layers. This one is media gallery. It allows you to upload content to be shown in this specific frame. In this case, this image is a promo code. Oh, sorry, the QR code. Right now it's uploaded, but I can add content with source CMS. What it will do is it will have this empty, like a placeholder, and when I open this template in my CMS and use it to create a campaign, I will be able to add the image through the CMS. Right now it's pre-installed uh, into the template. Then I have a text field. Of course, it has properties like font, size, color. Um, And I have the other image that also can be changed, like its size, its position, and I can add additional effects. Okay, in the leftmost part of the screen, we see library. Library are the files that are embedded in this template. Please be aware that even if this image that I can delete from here, it's not used in the template at all, but it's still embedded there. So it still takes up space and it's included in the template. So it's a good rule to check if all the files that you have in the library in the end are used in the template, and if they are not, you need to delete them. Let me drag it back here so it's visible again. So yeah, please make sure that all files there are used somewhere here. Here we have scenes. Scenes are like different frames or slides that you can change and create interactions between them. For example, I can create an interaction. If I click actions here, I can create additional action on click. When I click on this element, go to, and I can link to a specific new scene. So if I create a new scene here, I can go to this scene, and it will work just as you imagine. When we open this template, someone clicks here, it will go to the next scene. It can be set up not on touch or any other click, but for example on seeing seeing some person in frame. So when we don't apply anything to a specific element, just the scene overall, we can create actions. And here, sorry, I need to find it. Yeah, when biggest face with attribute detected, go to this scene, and the attribute can be gender or age or some of these attributes like hair color, glasses, mask, face mask. Um, so you can set up interactive scenarios like this. For example, when you see a person with clear glasses, let's check it. So glasses and value one of these. So none. So without glasses, usual. And this is just vision glasses like I have, or sunglasses. And when uh, the device will see that the person with sunglasses comes to a screen, it will do something like change video, change playback, go to different scene, etc. Very interesting. And here also at the top we have different elements that you can add. For example, rectangles, a media layer for adding new media files, or camera layer, which allows you to um, show the camera input, um, and also interactive elements like text input, for example, or buttons. Okay, I think that's it for this template. The last thing that I would like to show you is how to save your changes and undo your changes. Unfortunately, I don't know why. This is a technical limitation of our platform, but honestly, I used the software. You get used to it, so don't worry, please. um, we don't have a Control Z button, so you can't undo something. So what you need to do is, let's delete this QR code image from here. Now we made changes, but these changes are not saved and they cannot be undone. So what we can do to save them, click apply. And now if we close it and open it again, the changes are saved. Now let's do the same thing, which saved this change of deleting the QR code. Now let's add it back again. And let's say we did it by mistake. Let's cancel it. So click cancel. We go back and the QR code is deleted again, so no changes were saved. That's how you can basically use Control Z and cancel your changes or save your changes. Now let's go back, and I would like to show you template settings. This is pretty important. So click template settings. Here you see um, several settings that you can change. First one is title. This is easy. This is what the template is called when you um, open it um, in the platform. This name, this name. You can change it to other one. The template ID is the unique ID of your template, which you need to change definitely. So if you not change it, and for example, duplicate the template, make changes, create a new one basically, and upload it again with the same ID, it will overwrite the previous one, the previous version. To avoid it, you need to change the template ID. This template is just a combination of characters and numbers, so you can just type anything or do something smarter. For example, QR vertical 1, something like this. And it will allow you to create a new template instance instead of overwriting the previous one. Also, you can change resolution. So for example, if we need to make this template a square, let's do it 1920 by 1920. Okay, let's open it. You see that this is now a square. Okay, now let me show you how to upload this template to your platform. You need to click save and close. It will be saved. Then you right click on the template and click upload to cloud. Let me do it. You see in the bottom left, it's showing the status. Very quickly, it was the status in percentage, but the template is very light, so it was uploaded quickly. Now we can see that this template is uploaded to cloud. Let's go to templates. Uh, yeah, that's it. That's our template. So it was uploaded right now by myself, and I can use it in a campaign, or I can demo it, I can download the file, or I can delete it. So if I have several versions of the same template, I'm not sure if it's easy to find. Okay. Yeah, okay, never mind. So, but in theory, you would have, oh, yeah, lucky for me. So we have different versions of this template. This one is uploaded in 2023. This one was uploaded in 2025. If I would like to use this specific version, the old one, I can do it, or I can revert this one, and this version, the old one, will be um, the the latest version, the latest usable version. Okay, now let me show you a scenario which is a bit more complicated. Smile and emotion based targeting. Let's download demo version again. Open it in our designer, and you can see it has several components. In short, so you understand it, but don't not to blow your mind right away, I can tell you this. This component is just the basic screen that is showing when no one is in front of the screen or no one is smiling, right? So it is a call to action, and it has a setting. I think it's here in the control, in the event that is set up in this component. It will switch to a different component. So we go here, we see that this event is smiling, and it will move to this component, which is discount for the person who just smiled, and they will get QR code and for a discount. So this is a pretty simple scenario where we have base content that is prompting you to do something, the layer that analyzes when something is happening, and what it will redirect to a scenario, a scene, a component where um, something is shown based on what it saw. For example, this one is pretty easy, but for example, if we do it for age, right? We can set up for ages from 1 to 30, it will be one thing. From ages 30 to 50, it will be the other thing, and it will have different components here, and it will move to a specific component when specific prerequisite is made. That's what you need to remember for now. And also, if you click here on components, you can create new components from there. Okay, that's it for our basic overview of the template editor software. It has much more detail, but just as I said in the beginning, you can find information here in the help center to be more efficient with the software and understand how to do specific things in it. And if you can't find the answer, or you need help with setting it up, please contact our support team so they can help you. That's it for today. Thank you very much.